Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Seat. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2024 Seat Tarraco. Now of course this is the TDI variant and you do get full LED headlights, daytime running lights and cornering and fog lights. You get full front parking sensors. You then also get these brilliant 20-inch alloy wheels. I will go into each and every one just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and the condition of these. But coming round to the rear now, as you can see it is on an early 24 reg. You've then got 4 rear parking sensors. You get your reversing camera just up at the top there. You've then got a full electric opening tailgate, including your 3-way splitting rear bench. And of course, with this being the Tarraco, you do get the 2 rear seats in the boot. Now, of course, you don't have to have these both up. You can simply just drop one down like so, and then you can have just one in the rear. And then, yeah. To lower the tailgate, press the button up top and that will drop straight down. Then coming around to the side, showing you the rear alloy just here. As you can see, we do have full leather interior on this Tarraco with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. You've still got the full leather interior on the 2 rear seats as well. As you can see, we have got them split both ways just there. You've got climate control and heated rear seats as well. You've got full electric windows, keyless entry and start. You've got an electric driver's seat with memory function, and then you've also got your electric handbrake with auto hold. We've then also got your drive select, which you can choose between eco, normal and sport. We've got your stop start off, park assist, and then your parking cameras. You've got DSG gearbox as well to make it even easier to drive. You've then also got your dual climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats. We've got a touchscreen display that has satellite navigation. You've then also got your various audio sources just in there. So you've got AM, FM, DAB, Bluetooth audio and My Media. You've got Bluetooth hands-free, and then you've also got Full Link, which enables Android Auto, Apple CarPlay and MirrorLink. Over to the steering wheel now. As you can see, we've got your cruise control settings on the left-hand side with your distance control. We've got your volume just here as well. Then on the right hand side, we've got your onboard computer controls on the top half with your voice assistant. Then just below, we've got your track select with your Bluetooth hands-free. We've got your indicators on the left hand side, windscreen wipers on the right. And as you can see, you do have the full digital display, which you can have 3 different views to choose from, as you can see there. But more to the point, in the bottom right corner just here, you'll see this car has only done 5,603 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Tarraco, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Seat.